Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two traveling app platforms, which is TripIt and Flighty. So this review is based on collective data. Let's quickly dive into it. Talking about TripIt is great for travelers who want everything organized in one place. It automatically builds detailed itineraries from your flight and hotel confirmation. Sync it with your calendar and keep things neat and easy to access. However, real-time updates and premium tools like seat tracking are locked behind the paid Pro plan, and its design feel a bit dated compared to newer apps. Talking about Flighty, on the other hand, focus mainly purely on flight tracking, and it does that brilliantly. You can get instant alerts, delay predictions, and even see where your plane is coming from. It's perfect for frequent flyers who doesn't handle hotels or full trip planning. So in short, TripIt wins for complete trip management, while Flighty dominates for flight accuracy and speed. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.